Hello, my name is Makai McDonald, and I'm a sophomore at DBC. The reason I chose this class is because I'm a communications major, and I am trying to, get my requirements and fill in all the things I need to get my AA. But I'm also interested in the intro for communications. As you can see, I'm in my room. I couldn't really find a special place to really film this, but I think this will be okay for a spot. Let me think. What did I do fun over the break? I got to hang out with some friends, which is pretty normal. But reason I say it was pretty good is since we had COVID, I my friends didn't hang out that much. But when we did get to hang out, we made sure to have as much fun as we can and go to special places like beaches and out of town and stuff like that. But one thing interesting about me, I would say I think I it's not that interesting, but I would classify myself as a good listener, and that's it.